Hi, grade 7 and 8s, Mr. Davidson here. By now you're somewhat familiar with Moodle. You understand that this is the place that we are hosting a lot of the resources that are supporting our inquiry work in our humanities course, and it's also a place where you are beginning to upload assignments that are demonstrations of your learning and participating in the rich discussion forums around those inquiry questions, whether it's in the social studies realm of our course or whether it's around the writing aspects, the writer's workshop or reader's workshop where you're reflecting on some of the great reading that you're doing. And so Moodle is of course a place where I'm the designer of the course, and you can see that the tabs, for instance, that are here are all work that I've designed and hosted the inquiry questions that we're exploring. One of the things that you want to certainly understand about Moodle is that it's great for that type of discussion forum work and accessing the resources. What I'm going to introduce you to now is Mahara. It's an e-portfolio tool, and I want you to think of Mahara perhaps somewhat like your exhibition that you did in grade 6 as a demonstration of your understanding of those big PYP concepts, inquiry concepts. And Mahara is an e-portfolio controlled by you. You decide when you're going to share your work, what you're going to share, the design. I'm the designer here in Moodle. You will get to design the look and all of those parts of your work over there in that e-portfolio tool. So let's see how we get there. If you're in the grade 7 course, you're going to click on My ePortfolio here. Grade 8s, in your course, you're going to see, again, it's above your tabs here, right up here. It's called the ePortfolio, and when you click on that, it takes you to a place called Mahara. And Mahara is that electronic portfolio where you are going to showcase your learning in this course. I really want to stress right from the start that it's not just for your polished work. I would be sending into my ePortfolio beginning work and then showing some of my proficient work to show my growth over time, or my mastery work, for instance, so that people who I'm sharing that can see my growth as a learner over time. And so I can look at it, so I can reflect on my own growth, whether it be in the writing or reading or social study elements of our humanities course. So that's really important that you understand that. Now, when you get registered for Mahara, always the first place you're going to come to is the dashboard, and nobody sees this, just you. You can personalize this as well. I've added these blocks down here. I decide what I want on my dashboard, topics I'm following, the latest pages I've created, my recent pages. I can see who's online. That's all customizable. These are more management pieces that we're not going to use so much at this point. The big piece that we're going to start with is the portfolio, and the videos that come after this one showcase how to design the portfolio, where are some of those tools, how you share it with other people, how you can export work to other areas, how you can pull in assignments or posts that you've made in Moodle. Let's say you've made a particularly insightful current events post and you want to show your understanding about this current events issue and you're passionate about that. You can shoot that post, that discussion forum post, over here into your portfolio. And the portfolio pages are customizable. You design them. You can see here if you're doing a writing workshop portfolio, you can bring in posts that you've made. You can upload some documents. Let's say you've written an essay, or you can write a journal reflection. So Mahara's a really powerful tool. We're going to explore all of its uses, and then we'll be sharing our portfolios with wider audiences, whether it's our parents or grandparents or Mr. Thorne or the rest of the Millerville staff. Okay, so we'll start in class by certainly getting everybody registered and starting with that portfolio work.